So you're already holding Tau, right? Let me go ahead and show you exactly how you can make your Tau work for you while you're sleeping and continue to grow. No lockups, no hidden fees, no headaches, just passive income continuing to grow. Now, most people sleep on staking. They think that it's either risky or it's gonna get locked up forever. But here's the truth. Staking Tau is actually a lot different. If you're not already putting your tokens to work, you are literally wasting the potential that you actually have in your wallet right now. So there's two paths, and I'm going to explain both of them. You have root staking and subnet delegation. Now, while they both sound similar, one of these has the opportunity to give you great benefits and returns passively, while the other one could stunt you wrong and give you absolutely no growth whatsoever. So let me go ahead and break it down for you. Root staking is pretty simple. It is simple and it's the stable route. You back the protocol and you reap the rewards. Now, subnet delegation is more high risk. Think of this as the more chaotic route. This is high reward if you pick the right validator. So how can you choose the right one? You need to go ahead and vet the validator. Is the validator consistent? Do they have a proven track record? Are they active in the community? And I don't want you to think that this is the one and only route, because delegation to the subnets is not the only route every single time around. If the subnet crashes or the validator mishandles funds, it could be just as bad. You could literally get wrecked, okay? So yes, big rewards if done properly. But I'm also here to help you know the risks of what exactly it is that you're getting into. So within these two arenas, let's talk about exactly what it looks like and how you can do it. So to start Tau holders, you have two arenas. Root network, aka subnet 0, in which your Tau and your stake is almost like it's in a safe bank. You have lower yields, but your principal actually never changes, meaning it is guaranteed to increase the Tau that you are holding over time, kind of like an APY. The second is the specific subnet, such as subnet 93, which is Bitcast, or subnet 85, which is VidAO. In this case, you're going to be swapping your Tau for that subnet specific alpha token. Then you stake that alpha token. So you have potentially juicier rewards, but again, as we talked about in previous videos, these have smart registers which go up and down depending on the supply and the demand of these specific subnets. So whether you are staking on root or subnet, you delegate to the validator. Think of validators as pool captains, right? They set weights, produce blocks, and they share rewards. Your delegation is going to equal your voting power. The more Tau that you have behind a validator equals the more influence that you have in a specific community. As well as, don't forget that you can redelegate at any time with 0 penalties. Now, rewards drop daily, and keep in mind validators keep anywhere between 0 to 18%, kind of like commission, and the rest flows to delegators proportionate to how well things did that day, aka proportional to your stake. Now, the best part in my opinion is there is 0 lockup within this entire thing, which most people are scared of. You can unstake or move your Tau at any time. This is perfect for opportunistic stakers or people who actually hate commitment when it comes to a specific project. Now let's talk about the risks of subnet staking. This is a little bit of a higher risk. You have the alpha price volatility. Now whenever you stake to a subnet, you are now exposed to the alpha token or Tau's exchange rate, the current exchange rate. If this alpha token tanks, then you are subject to that lower or the decreased value of that specific token. Just like any cryptocurrency, if you guys are familiar with meme coins, if you put in a little bit at a very fraction of a price and it goes up, you get a lot of your money back. Same thing when the price goes down, it's now devalued, it's a token, they're all tokens, same principle. Now, validator reliability, let's talk about this. Downtime or misset weights can slash your profits, aka the rewards that you would get, and market liquidity. Let's talk about that. Young subnets might not have as deep liquidity or funding, in other words, making it a little bit more difficult to exit at large positions. So do your homework. I'm here to be able to inform you guys on everything that I know and give you guys these briefs directly from the source every single week. Compare validators' performance, do your homework, compare fees and subnet fundamentals before actually going in on this, and subnet fundamentals before you start delegating. If you learned something in today's video, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button or subscribe if you want more updates like this on how Tau and the different subnets work. We are giving you guys briefs every single day. And if you know somebody else that wants to make money and print money just like you, share this video with them. I'm sure it'll be helpful. Thank you for watching. per usual, all resources and links will be in the description below to make things more convenient for you to access, including Bittensor's full official staking guide. So, until next time, remember to get 1% better every single day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.